A certain something in you to be inside FMS, that is Faculty of Management Studies, one of the top MBA colleges in India. And I've been told that there are things so unique here, be it in academics or some fun activities, that you won't find it elsewhere. So here on our special series, Shining B Schools of India, we find out just that in their red building of dreams, as they call it. Now the future business leaders of our country, the students of FMS. But it isn't all about books, it's about having lots and lots of fun too. Am I right, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, your college is very centrally located. It's smack in the middle of all the cultural happenings in the city. Am I right? Yeah. Tell us about that.
Yeah, we are located right in the middle of Delhi University. We get a chance to visit so many hangout places in various colleges. We have Kamla Nagar market nearby. We have lots of opportunities to have fun there. We also can visit Pragati Maidan for various auto expos that are held every year. Then we have Connaught Place, Khan Market. So lots of places where you can hang out.
You guys are not restricted to FMS walls. You go beyond that for seminars, conferences and athletic meets. Am I right?
There are infrastructures available in the DU, this area. Supposedly we use St. Stephen's or Ramjas College. But most of all, we have also availability of Commonwealth Games infrastructure. So we organize on a yearly basis. We have an annual sports fest, that's Altius, and we use Commonwealth stadiums for that.
The faculty at FMS, which is very renowned in the country, tell us more about them.
We have a highly experienced faculty here. Faculty has been teaching here for the past 20 plus years, which effectively ensures that we have an extensive case study based approach of studying. Besides that, we've also had papers written on current affairs, top current affairs like Brand Anna. We've had one on forecasting presidential elections. So all that basically ensures, we have a highly holistic learning experience here.
Such fine praises on the faculty in FMS. I'm curious to know much more from the horse's mouth, so let's check it out.
We have something like 11,000 plus people who have graduated from this small building. So it was in 1998 that first time we thought of creating a formal body, a registered body called FMS Alumni Association to network all these people. Alumni Association primarily has been created to add to the FMS brand equity, plus provide all possible support to the current students of FMS. We have a very, very significant program at Alumni Association at FMS called Gamma. We network the billing net alumni of 5 to 6 years experience on one-to-one basis with the current students. And this is a literally hand-holding exercise where the current student will have unlimited access with the mentor who has been appointed along with this particular student.
FMS was the first college to offer a formal MBA degree to students in India.
This is a school which is with Delhi University, and we are very proud of being a part of the University of Delhi. Faculty of Management Studies has a very long and rich history. We are very proud of our more than 5,000 alumni base which are working all over the world in the leading corporates.
The students are also involved with the faculty to be involved in government strategy. If you could just elaborate on that.
We are a faculty which is funded by government. We are very conscious of our social responsibility. Our students from time to time keep on taking up those social causes, be it helping the downtrodden. Our students will take part in that as well. As a sort of part of our philosophy, we believe that we must help the society, and in fact if you look at from that point of view, look at our fee. Where on earth you can have such an MBA degree with 20,000 rupees?
And finally, we'd like to know about the future plans of Faculty of Management Studies.
The most important and the biggest development that we are excited about is our new campus, which will come on the south campus of Delhi University at Dholakua. That would be a residential campus which will have dormitories for boys and girls along with the academic blocks. Besides that, the faculty is also planning to start a daytime executive MBA program with 60 seats in a very niche area of international business. So we are quite excited about our new campus on the South Campus and particularly the new programs.
Absolutely, that's brilliant, sir. It was a pleasure speaking to you. Thank you so
That's
much.
my pleasure. Yeah, thank you so much.
Now that was quite an insight into the history and growth of FMS, but I'm still curious to know a little more from the enthusiastic students here. I had a complete different image of an MBA college discussing business strategies or economic policies of the country maybe, but this actually looks like one Masti ki Pathshala. Now talking about Masti, I want to know all about the Masti that the students of FMS do when it comes to cultural activities in the college.
When it comes to cultural activities, we cover everything from dance to drama to photography to singing to anything else that people might want. And we actually single out talent from within the batches and then make sure that the best of the best is represented when we go outside. And that is how we keep engaging the batches throughout the year.
Fiesta is what your college fest is called, so what do you guys gear up for?
Fiesta is the annual management festival that is organized by FMS Delhi. So all the societies that we have, be it HR, be it IT, be it marketing, we have various case studies competition which are well known all around the country. People from all over the various top B schools participate. And talking about the fun factor as well, we have paintball competition. We recently organized the CS LAN gaming competition for all the game enthusiasts as well.
Someone told me about the silent auction that takes place here in the campus. I didn't quite understand. Could you please elaborate? What is it actually?
Silent auction, as the name suggests, there is no shouting in there. There are items placed in a big hall, and we students go there and place our bids. We can place as many number of bids as we want. The items are like, say, homemade food, finance lessons, driving lessons, and many more things. At the end, this money is used to support the social causes, is donated to NGO.
We just touched upon social responsibility, and the students of FMS also indulged in charity.
Exactly, we have Vihan, which is the social service cell. Silent auction is the legacy event of Vihan. Apart from that, we also indulge with a lot of corporate houses like Standard Chartered, with whom we do an HIV awareness campaign. We have KPMG, with whom we do SAIF, which is Students in Free Enterprise.
FMS is ranked high in the list of top MBA colleges in India. So obviously the students are placed in well-established organizations. Could you elaborate on that?
FMS arguably has one of the best placements in the country today, and you have representation from all domains: banks, FMCGs, consultancies, operations, HR. I mean, the whole gamut is here. And looking at our 60-year-old legacy, FMS has always produced thought leaders. It has always produced, it has produced great business managers.